Hi there, I'm Dan Nayland from Dowling & Nayland Real Estate, and today I'm showing you through number 14 Wesley Court, right here on Noosa Sound, on the waterfront, just 200 metres from Hastings Street and the main beach. I manage this property. It's one of my best holiday let properties. I've managed to sneak us in here between the bookings. Coming inside, let's take a look at one of Noosa Sound's best holiday homes. This home was originally constructed by renowned local builder Bruce Windrum, and it's been looked after ever since. There's not a dollar to spend here, and most importantly, you can have two families here, which means it's going to book very solidly. So you're looking at a really good return out of this for the Noosa Sound area. It's leafy, it's well developed, there's not a dollar to spend, it's very private, there's lots of sun, it's got a lot going for it, and hey, it's in one of the lower price brackets when it comes to buying on the waterfront here right on Noosa Sound. Well, I hope you enjoyed viewing number 14 Wesley Court. It's one of my favourite Noosa Sound holiday homes, and who wouldn't love it? Who wouldn't like to be splashing around here in summer with a cool drink and the family at hand? It's a great Noosa Sound escape, so close to Hastings Street. If you'd like to view the property, just give me a call, Dan Nayland at Dowling & Nayland. I look forward to seeing you here in Noosa very soon.